So for our campus guide NavigAR, here's a demonstration showing how we'll help our users navigate their way around campus. So in the ideal situation, we'll be placing markers around the campus. So here's an example of the marker which shall be in LHC. So as you can see in the model, above the marker it says that you are here. So it provides the user with the current location of where they are, and due to the spatial recognition, the user has a better understanding of where they want to go and where they're currently located. Now we'll show you the working of our UI and buttons. So here we click student facilities, which gives us multiple choices of where we want to go. Say for example we want to go to the gym. So in the 3D model it will show the target with the red pointer and the route of how to go there. We also provide a back button, and in case the user doesn't, say the user wants to go to OAT in the campus buildings, we also provide a route for that. And we also give a hide UI button over here, as you can see. Here's the route to go to OAT with the red marker of where you want to reach. So here's the hide UI button.
So the hide UI button is so that the UI does not get in the way of the user, so the user will be able to see the route normally. So as you can see, and the UI will come back if the user clicks the show UI button, and then just like that the user has other options. So even for campus access, they can see gate 1, gate 2, gate 3, or the auto stand. Campus buildings has 3 buildings. Student facilities have a gym, library, student rooms, hostels,
and
etc.
we also have 4 easy access buildings, four easy access buttons on top. So it depicts a credit card, a water droplet, the medical first aid, and a water cooler, as you can see. So for example, say we click the ATM, so it shows us where the nearest ATM will be.
So
based
now,
on a location.
based on the location, you can see that the ATM is in the building next to the LHC,
which is the student center.
Right.
So say if they want to go and find a water cooler,
so then you click on the water cooler button, and then if you all they have to do is look around. So there's one water cooler here itself, and the marker will point to the next closest water cooler, which is right there in
the
next to
football
the
field.
in the football field. And just like that, all 4 buttons will point towards the nearest facilities. So these are the most important facilities for any student that visits the campus.
And for easy functioning, we've kept all the buttons on the right side,
so the user can use it in one hand.
Thank you.